Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Judgment. Capricorn, this is your current energy, and Five of Pentacles. Okay, this is your partner's current energy. Okay. Capricorn, I feel that you people was going through something in your life. Now you have taken a break from your routine life, and you are just introspecting your own thoughts. What is good for me? What is not good for me? What kind of people are good for me? What kind of people are not good for me? So I'm seeing that a lot of introspection is going on in your life. Okay, and you are being somebody who is completely not in touch with anyone. You are just talking to your God. You are just being very spiritual right now. You must be doing a lot of meditation right now. You must be taking some some spiritual lectures, or you must be listening some kind of a spiritual lectures in your life, because you are being somebody who wants some clarity in life. Okay, why are you here? What is your purpose? What do you want to do in life? What is your life goal? All right, so these kind of thoughts are going on in your mind. On the other hand, we have Five of Pentacles. Your person is feeling betrayed, your person is feeling cheated, your person is feeling heartbroken. Is it you who have left them in cold? Is it? They are feeling cheated, they are feeling betrayed, they are feeling left alone. Okay, I feel that Capricorn, it's you who has throw them out from your life. That's why they are feeling cold. That's why they are feeling betrayed. And perhaps this is the reason you are looking for such kind of questions in your life. Why I am here? What is my purpose in life? What should I do? Why God has sent to me here? What is my life purpose? That's why you have cut all the connection from the outer world. You are being somebody who's not talking to your family, your friends, your loved ones. Okay, you have isolated yourself. You are not talking to anyone. Okay, now let's see, Capricorn, how you see them and how they see you. What's happening? You see them as somebody who does not want to listen to anything, who does not want to hear anything, who does not want to see anything, and perhaps they are being somebody who has closed their heart. Okay, so you at points you feel that this person is not listening to you, this person is not understanding what's going into your life, and rather than listening to your thoughts or your views, they are being very assertive. They are being very, not the assertive for you, they are being somebody who is very arrogant. Okay, who must not be shouting at you, who must not be creating any kind of scene in your life. But yes, when it comes to emotion, you feel that this person is not emotionally available for me. Okay, this person does not want me into their life. Okay, that's how you feel them, and that's how you see them. On the other hand, we have Six of Wands. So your person, Capricorn, feels about you, they must be thinking about you, that they are the one who has conquered something in their life. They have achieved something in their life. Okay, but yes, they are hiding something from me. Okay, that's how your person feels about you, Capricorn, that you are hiding something from them. Okay, you are being somebody who does not want to, or who don't want to make an eye contact with them. All right, so I feel that this is the reason they have closed their eyes and closed their heart. All right, let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Two of Pentacles, no action. High Priestess, no action, no action, no action. You are being somebody who is juggling in your own thoughts. What should I do? Whether I should connect with them, whether I should not connect with them, whether I should offer them something, whether I should not offer them something, whether what should I do? I mean, you are into your own energy. You don't know how to handle your emotions. Okay, you have strong wave of emotion within you, but you are trying to control so many things in your life. It could be your personal and professional life. It could be your connection with this person and with your family and friends. So a lot of juggling is going on in your life, Capricorn. Alright, so you are busy into your own energy that you don't have time to see what's happening around you, or you don't have time to look what this person is doing. Alright, on the other hand, see, can you see 2 and 2? 2. The High Priestess. This person is hiding something from you, okay? Perhaps they don't love you. They don't even love you. That's why they are not opening their heart for you. Okay, it could happen for some of you, Capricorn, that this person must be talking to you, and you feel, and I mean, you felt that, okay, perhaps this person is in love with me. But I feel that this person was never in love with you. Okay, they were somebody who was hiding something from you from the beginning. Okay, they have hide their emotion from you. Okay, that they don't want you or they don't love you. All right, so they are hiding their emotions, they are hiding their actions, they are hiding their thoughts, and hence they are not taking any action towards you or towards this relationship. Now let's see what you guys are feeling in this relationship. What you guys are feeling in this relationship. Five of Cups. Capricorn, I think you are being somebody who has understood the concept that, hey, if this person is not loving me, hey, if this person doesn't love me, I should move on. That's why you are doing a lot of introspection. You are not feeling sorry at all. You are not feeling ashamed of your past mistakes. You are being somebody who has moved on from this stage. You have understood the concept that, hey, if somebody is not into me, or if somebody doesn't love me, it's okay. Life goes on. Life goes on. Life never stops for anyone. Alright. On the other hand, your person, we have 4 of Cups and 8 of Cups. They are being ignorant. They are definitely being ignorant. Okay, they have moved on, and I feel that this connection, for them, this connection was a divine connection, but they are being somebody who is completely ignoring this relationship, who is not seeing what God is offering them, and rather than paying attention towards such new offers, they are quitting, they are moving out. Oh God, both of you have moved on, I feel that. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. What's the mutual energy? Hierophant and the future potential of this. Sorry, we have Hierophant as a mutual energy, and we have Page of Wands as a future potential. Okay, some communication are taking place in both of your life. Okay, I told you in the beginning that you are being somebody who is taking guidance, or some kind of a meditation classes are going on, or some kind of a, you must be listening some spiritual lectures in your life right now. So you are taking your own, you are doing your own part. On the other hand, your person who is feeling left alone, okay, they must be talking about you within their circle. They must be discussing about you within their family or friends. So some sort of communication is happening at their end too. All right. Page of Wands. I think they must be discussing about you, that hey, this person was very much into me, or this person was showing interest into me, but I was the one who never took interest into them. Okay, so perhaps they must be discussing about such incidents. Okay, now their family and friend must be telling them that they made a mistake. They made a mistake. You should, I mean, they should, confront their emotions in front of you. Oh, okay. With this Page of Wands, I feel that future is bringing something new into your life. Okay, somebody new is planning to arrive in your life. Somebody new is arriving in your life in future, who is definitely going to take some steps. All right, future is bringing a new person in your life. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. Wait, you need to wait. Perhaps this is your person. Okay, this is the same person who is, after discussing your and their chemistry within among their friends or family, perhaps they are being somebody who is coming back into your life. I think it's them, and that's why angels have asked you to wait. Or perhaps it could also happen for some of you that angels are asking you to wait just to see what this person is up to, what they are bringing on the table for you. All right, okay. So Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus. All right, we have Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Page of Wands and Six of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces also with this Five Priestess, and we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading with Five of Cups in reverse, Four of Cups and Eight of Cups. Alright, so Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.